Good afternoon, everybody. I am Radhika Sharma. Here I'm presenting the topic today. It's Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals. So first of all, we'll discuss about the Azure. What is Azure? Azure is a Microsoft cloud computing platform that offers over 200 products and services for various scenarios. Azure helps you innovate faster, save cost, and improve efficiency with its flexible architecture and pay-as-you-go pricing models. And it also supports a wide range of languages, frameworks, databases, operating system, devices, and making it easy to integrate with existing systems and technologies. And moreover, it provides the security, compliance, and governance features to protect your data and applications from threats and risks. And right as of now, it claims that this Azure platform is used by 85% of Fortune 500 organizations as well. So next we'll move forward what exactly the portal looks alike for the Microsoft Azure. This is the portal where we'll be getting all our resources and services we need for that. Uh, so can you please give me 1 minute? Getting all our services and where we'll be getting all our services and resources we need for that. Here is the option where we can create our resources, and here you can see the multiple options as well. If we need the virtual machines, storage accounts, SQL databases as well, and the Azure databases and Azure Cosmos DBs, many options will be required. So it will require a subscription for that, and we need to pay as the resources we are using. And then next we have the different data services. First, will be discussing about the Azure SQL database. In SQL database, it's a fully managed platform as a service database engine. Here, platform as a service is a cloud computing service model, which includes the infrastructure, server, storage, networking, development tools, BI services, and many more. It basically supports the complete web application lifecycle, that is building, testing, deploying, and managing and updating the systems. And if we'll take the example of the platform as a service here, that we can take that Git, that is global information tracker version control. If anyone has used in their company, that is the Git version control. And in that Azure SQL database, we use it enables you to process both the relational data and the non-relational structures as well, such as graphs and JSON files as well. So this is exactly how the Azure SQL portal looks alike. Next, we have the Azure Cosmos DB, in which it is also a database service, which includes the documents, graphs, and key value tables. For example, if in this Cosmos DB, it basically works on the APIs, that is the application programmable interface. It is what exactly it is? It's a set of protocols that enables the different software components to communicate and transfer the data. So in this Azure Cosmos DB, we don't use any ETL things. In this, we'll build the apps on the API basis, and we use the multiple languages as well, that is .NET, Java, and Python. So if we'll take the example in this case, then we can take the weather software that we are using in our systems or in our mobile phones. It uses the API. For example, the Weather Bureau software system contains the daily weather data. The weather app on your phone talks to this system via the APIs and shows you the daily weather updates on your phone. Next, we have Azure Data Lake Storage. This is the service that we used in the form of container. In this, the containers are used, and in the containers, we use the blobs. And in this, we can organize the blobs in a hierarchical structure, the way we do to the files in a file system. Azure Data Lake Storage Generation 2 provides a cloud-based solution as well in the Microsoft Azure. And in this Azure Data Lake storage, we use the Azure Blob replication model as well. What exactly it is? It replicates your data within a data center in a specific region, providing the redundancy in a single data center, and replicates your data to a secondary data center in a different region. Next, we have the Azure Synapse Analytics. In this, it's a service that we use that provides the single service interface for the multiple analytical capabilities, such as pipelines we use, SQL, and Apache Spark. And here, the data analysts use the SQL and Spark tools to explore and analyze the data and take advantage of integration with services such as Azure Machine Learning and Power BI to create the data models and extract the insights from the data. And last, we have the Azure Data Factory. So in this, we use the ETL processes for the data warehouses. And in this, the data engineers use the data Azure Factory as of now. And we use the pipelines, that is the set of tools and processes used to move or transforming the data from various sources to a destination. And in this case, the Azure Data Factory supports a wide range of data sources as well. That includes our SQL Server, Oracle, and the other databases as well. And in this, we can define let data transformation activities takes place, and with the help of pipelines and using the other data methods like such as data wrangling, mapping, filtering, and other transformations. Here, data wrangling is a part of data processing, means data cleaning that we have done in the Excel and SQL as well. That is removing or filling the missing values, and data normalization and data formatting as well. That includes the data wrangling. And then we have the data mapping. What exactly it's doing? It means having the same structure of the data from source to the destination. And data filtering, we know we just need to extract the relevant data and then remove the unnecessary or unwanted data. That's all. Any questions from your side?